offers. Once you select the offer option, you will get bunch of design categories of various coupons. You are free to select one from it to create your own offer coupon. After you select your business category, choose the design from available designs, or you can download more designs through Get More. Once you select a suitable design, you have the option to customize it by selecting the personalize option to present your offers elegantly. Here you can change the discount text with your own discount offer and also the background of discount text. You can use the same default image or can upload image suitable to your business or offer. Access your phone gallery or click the photograph right there. You can set the image by zooming and panning it. Rotate and or crop a certain part of the image through edit option if required. You can replace the title with the other available options and change the text as per your offer and change the color or size of the text how you like. You can change the background of the coupon by selecting one from available library or can upload suitable images from your phone gallery or by instantly capturing an image. After customizing your design, you can share it with your customers or prospects through email or using multi-share option. You can even add barcodes and QR codes to coupons to specifically address the offers for the respective prospect or customer before sharing it. You could even export the file in CSV format for sharing. You are free to present your discounts and offers in any language you wish to communicate it with your prospects or customers. You could also use the keyboard with regional language other than English to type your own message. You also have the option to copy the message and codes from internet or any of your documents and paste it to add some personal touch in your brochures. You may attach smart icons to your offer coupons if you want your prospects to view your virtual company profile or personal profile or contact you through digital mediums.